Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, I'm going to be showing you around the Mira Hotel in Hong Kong. If you're looking for real footages of this hotel and its facilities, you are in the right place. I'm going to be taking you through the room and around the hotel so you can see exactly what you're getting into. Some key things to mention: you've got a spa, you've got a swimming pool, you've got a health bar, you've got a gym, and a pillow menu. So in front of us you'll see the famous Don Don Donki right beside the lobby, and behind us is the Mira Place shopping mall. Alright, enough of the snips and the intro, let's go in and check this out. Ooh, show. Oh man, this is nice. Very nice, very nice. Oh, look at that fancy toilet paper. Got TV, what the hell? Wow. This is cool as. Apparently the mini bar's for free as well. Apparently the mini bar is for free. Let's have a look what's in here. Oh, what? Yeah, it's got beer and everything. It's mad. The kettle. Yeah, he said spa as well. What? A pillow menu?
There's a lavender pillow.
That's insane. That's insane.
There's an eye pillow.
Whoa.
For headaches.
Huh?
Eye pillow for headaches.
Yeah. We're on like no sleep, but pretty excited still. While you check that out, what's in here? Oh, got a hairdryer. I need that. Ooh, look at this, babe. Look at this, sparkles.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Oh yeah? Try it on. See what it's like. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
Oh yeah. It's pretty fluffy.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good. It's good. I don't know if it will fit your full.
No, it'll be fine.
Oh yeah, it will.
It'll be fine. This place is insane. Alright, okay. Let's go eat. Bye bye. So we're at Don Don Donki now. This is literally on ground floor. As soon as you exit the lobby, you turn right and it's right there, the entrance to Don Don Donki. Locally there is also a KFC nearby, probably like a 10-second walk, 20-second walk. And a local cafe that we go to each morning for our breakfast.
Anything else you want?
I'll take another look. Oh, it's fried chicken.
Yeah.
I'll get that instead.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll keep that as well.
Huh?
I'll keep it as well.
Bro, you have a lot of food.
I'll get rid of the salad. Oh, this is even better. I'll eat that instead.
That's fried cartilage.
What's wrong with
Bro, cartilage. Do you know what cartilage is? Cartilage is bones.
Oh, okay. We'll put that back.
You silly bum.
Okay. No go.
This one is fried chicken.
What?
This is fried chicken.
There's this size. These are fried chicken.
15. Maybe this is better. I don't know what sauce that was. I didn't look at it properly.
This guy. Japanese fried chicken nugget. That would be nice.
I reckon this one's way better. Yeah, this one looks way better. The Japanese one. Alright, cool. Done.
Are you putting your salad back or?
Did you say I have a lot of food?
Yeah,
You have more than
you
me.
got sushi as well, remember?
Alright, we'll get rid of this. Yep, that's it. This is the gym in the Mira. Quality of the equipment is actually quite good. Wow.
Yeah.
So before we entered, there was there's a swimming pool, heated swimming pool, and a
Jacuzzi.
spa jacuzzi,
And sauna.
and a sauna as well. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I didn't want to record there because of people swimming. But yeah, pretty cool. Look at all that. So they close for an hour each day, 7 till 8, and open till 10. What time do they open? Sorry, yeah, what time do they open? Till, I think it was like 7 till 10,
I don't know.
7 a.m. till 10, something like
Yeah, something like that.
that. Yeah, and then they give you free lemon water.
Personal training.
Oh, and strawberry water. That's awesome. Cool. Let's go.
Oh, they provide towels
Yeah,
as well.
fried towels as well. Nice. Oh yeah, wait, I can record from here. See a bit of the pool. Just tried to do a little bit of a dodgy before I got told off. Wow. See, there's a jacuzzi in the back and the swimming pool. Got some seating in the back as well to sit. Is there something about who provide you if you don't have your bathers or something?
You
Bathers and swimsuit?
can use the indoor sauna or something.
Oh, okay.
It's probably
indoor.
like a private one.
Private one, okay. Yeah, cool. Yeah, heated pool. Yep. Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
So you've got a sauna, steam room, and jacuzzi in the change room. This is the male's room, so it's private. Massage beds, change rooms. Wow. Just doing a quick record. Just want to allow to really record here. But there's no one here, so it's okay. But look at that, private. It's males only. It's an infinity pool because of the edges. Here we go, we're back. This is our place, man. This is our hotel. It's got its own shopping centre. Mira Place 1, Mira Place 2. And this is our entrance. You'll see the lobby in a sec. Thank you. It's the lobby. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. We've got to do a little tap. Number 11. Yeah. Number 9. Ready? Master. Oh, I did get clean. Yay, thank you. Oh, they folded the short. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, I'll show you guys the lights. So you got, let's turn them off. I'm turning off the lights, one sec. Ready? That's on that. What else we got? That's this one. And then night is ground. Cool. Alright, let's turn it all back on. So master. Press it one more time to turn back on. Oops. Okay. Done. Success. How do you feel? Tired?
My feet hurt.
Yeah, long day.